All right, guys, so in today's video, we're going to go over what is an adjuster appointment. What's the purpose of it? Who do they directly work for? And how to get prepared for it. So let's get started. The first thing is, what is an adjuster? An adjuster is either independent or works for the carrier themselves. And they are the person that comes out and does basically an inspection on the property. They take into account everything, all of the damage, old, new, what type of damage, hail, wind, water, fire. They document all of that and they put together a report basically for the insurance company. And depending on what type of adjuster there are, so there's independent and like I said, carrier adjusters, and then there's public adjusters also. They get to make the decision on whether or not to, pay for your claim, pay for your loss, or not. And in today's world, a lot of them don't actually have the same kind of autonomy as far as paying out a claim goes as they used to have. So in today's world, there's a lot more structure to the claims process as far as the hierarchy goes. So the managers, the regional managers, the office manager, and then, the adjuster himself. So a lot of times when an adjuster comes out and they do their inspection, they might determine themselves that, hey, this is definitely a hail loss, or this is definitely a wind loss or a water loss. But then they send it up the chain to get approval from their manager, and their manager denies it. In that case, it's unfortunate because the manager's sitting in an office, and obviously the adjuster was on site, saw the real world, scenario that's going on with the policyholder and, whatever the contractor they have hired to represent them or not represent them. And so the way that adjusters get paid, and it's a common misconception, is that they get paid most of the time by the amount of claims that get bought. So they actually have an incentive to pay for your claim. But that's why I said before, a lot of times they don't get the final decision on it. And they can only buy claims that are presented to them in a very, very specific way, that have very, very specific damage, because the process that has been put in place is, there for the most part to delay, deny, defend, meaning that they want to delay your claim payout, they either want to deny your claim payout, or they want to defend it with litigation, that kind of thing. So if you do a couple of things to really help out your insurance adjuster when they get on site, you have a much better chance of actually getting that claim paid for. And so a couple of those things are, one, have an estimate ready from your contractor. If it's roofing like us, we provide an insurance estimate using the same type software that the insurance companies do called Xactimate. And we provide that to the homeowner before the insurance adjustment. So when the adjuster gets there, there's already a scope of work and a dollar amount attached to that scope of work. We provide our homeowner with a full inspection report that details the entire exterior of the home, the attic, and the roof itself. And we provide them with a library of photos. All of those things, when submitted to the adjuster up front, give the adjuster more ammo when they're going, to run the claim up the chain to get the payment approved. So that's basically what an insurance adjuster is, and those are a couple of things that can help you out when you're going through the insurance process. So if you like the video, please consider giving us a follow on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on TikTok. That's at Big Time Roof LLC. And we post a lot of videos just like this on our YouTube page. If you could go over there, subscribe, and hit that bell button and give us a thumbs up, it helps us out tremendously. So we hope you learned something today, and have a great day.